Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Module 2, Lesson 20, Fluency video. For today's video, you're going to need your whiteboard, marker, and eraser, and then you're actually going to need your practice book. That's right, we're going to be doing a sprint today. So if you need a minute to go get those materials, go get them. You do not need your Learn book. There's an application problem, but we're going to do it together in class. Okay, we're going to start with our whiteboard. And we are going to take a look at these problems that you see on the board. But what we're going to do is we're going to use the answer to the one that came before to help us answer the next problem. So on your whiteboards right now, I want you to solve this problem. 50, take away 28. If you get the answer 38, you did something wrong and didn't regroup. So think about it, pause the video, find 50, take away 28. All right, hopefully you pause the video and we have 50, take away 28. Forgive my handwriting. I cannot do 0, take away 8. I can't. There's more on the floor. I need to go next door and get 10 more. 50 becomes 40. 0 becomes 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. So 40 take away 20 is 20. So my answer is 22. And these are exactly the same. I think that's a mistake, but that's okay. All right, now the next problem is very similar. I still see 50 and I still see 28. Now what's here is 400. So I know 50 take away 28 is 200 or is 22. But I can't forget about this 400. So this 400 goes straight to my answer. And my answer is 422. All right. So if this was 422, I see this number is the same here, 450 liters. And I see the 28, but now I'm taking away an additional 200. So up here, I'm taking away an additional 200. So I keep the 22 and I do 400, take away this 200 to get 222. Train is going by, super loud. Okay, now this next one we're gonna have to solve on our own. So on your whiteboards, I want you to do 604 grams. Take away 32, be careful, make sure that 30 goes in the tens place and the 2 goes in the ones place. Pause the video here so you can solve it on your own. Hopefully you did that, and 4 take away 2 is 2. I can do that, more on top, no need to stop. Tens place, I have more on the floor. So I need to go next door to get 10 more. 6 becomes 5 and 0 becomes 10. 10 take away 3 is 7, really it's 70. 500 take away our invisible 0 is 500. So our answer here is 572 grams. As you see down here, we've got the same first number. We've got 32, but we're taking away another 100. So instead of doing this all over again, I'm just going to come up here and take away that additional 100. So the way Zoom is set up, oh, maybe I can actually move this. Hold on. Okay, good. So I'm taking away that additional 100. So it's not 572. It's now 472. So what we did here is we used our subtraction algorithm, and then we also used some mental math to help us solve additional problems. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do our sprint. So grab your practice book and open up to page 61. Page 61 in your practice book. If you need more time, pause the video to do that. All right, we are doing some rounding practice. We practiced in our last fluency video. So hopefully you still remember this. Remember to use the numbers before to help you. You are rounding to the nearest 100. Therefore, all of your answers should end, with a 0, 0. You are going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. Thirty seconds remaining. All right, let's go over our answers. I'm just going to say the answer, and when I say the answer, if you got it right, give me a good old yes. If you got it wrong, you can fix it. And then you can stop after the problem that you ended on and kind of skip ahead. Or if you want to hear the answers to all of them, stay with me. 200, yes. 300, 400, 800, 1,800, 2,800, 3,800, 7,800. All right, switching to a new pattern. 300, 400, 500, 900, 1,900, 2,900, 3,900, 7,900. Flipping to the next pattern, 500, 2,500, 400, 3,400, 700, 4,700. I'm using these numbers together to help me with my solutions. Going up to the top of the second column. This one's tricky. It's right at the halfway, but we bump up. So 400, 1,400, 500, 5,500, 900, 6,900, 600, 700, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 10,000, 7,000, 4,100, 8,400, 3,600, 9,800, 2,900, 10,000. Those got really big and really challenging. So go ahead and count up how many you got right. Maybe this time you only got 9 right. So you would come up here and write 9. And we're going to hope on this second round, you're going to beat that number. You're beating this number. Whatever number you wrote down is what you're beating. All right, turn the page to page 63. And you are going to get a minute. And we're trying to beat the number you got last time. We're trying to see an improvement. On your mark, follow the patterns. Get set, go. Thirty seconds remaining. All right, follow along with me and give me a yes when you get the right answer. 100, 200, 300, 700, 1,700, 2,700, 3,700, 8,700. Bumping to the new pattern. 200, 300, 400, 800, 1,800, 2,800, 3,800, 8,800. Now, a lot of these patterns are in just groups of 2. 400, 2,400, 500, 3,500, 900, 4,900. Top of the next column. 300, that one's tricky. It's right on the halfway mark, but we bump up. 1,300, 400, 5,400, 800, 6,800, 600, 700, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 10,000, 4,000, 2,100, 7,400, 4,600, 8,800, 4,000, and finally 10,000. Whew, those numbers got so high. All right, count up how many did you get right this time? I'm going to pretend that I got 14 right. I had 9 before, so I'm going to count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that means I improved by 5. I'm going to put a +5 by my improvement. All right, I hope you did better. I hope that was a good refresher of rounding to the nearest 100. I will see you in the next one. Bye.